My name is Genevieve, and welcome to Fun to DIY channel. Today we're going to be making fluffy slime. The ingredients that you need to make is glue, any kind of glue, some shaving cream you can buy or you can borrow from your dad. Wait. And you need some activator. So we put some activators with some warm water and we mixed it. And the slime turned out pretty great, but I'll show you with it. So let's get started. First you need a bowl. Then we're going to be adding the glue. Just like that. Right here. Just a big amount. And we're going to be adding some shaving cream as much as we can because this is fluffy slime. Just like that. And we're going to be adding some food coloring. My color is going to be blue, but you can do any kind. So I'm going to be doing blue. And add 2 or 3 drops. And then we're going to be mixing. And then when we're done, we're going to do the activator. Wait, that activator? Yeah. Oh! No.
Deja Valentina, deja.
Hey!
Did you put activator yet? No?
I'm touching a little bit.
Let me just put activator, okay?
My dad is going to be pouring some activator in. Just 2 or 3 or 4.
Watch out. 1.
2. It actually takes away the color, kind of, but the color is still going to be there. And we're going to be mixing. Keep mixing and keep on touching it to see if it's sticky or not. If it's still sticky, keep mixing it. Make sure you get every little bit from the bowl. We can put a little bit more of the food coloring. Where is it? Oh, yeah. 1 and 2 drops. And we're going to be mixing again. It's turning blue.
We put a little more activator if needed.
That's it.
Keep them. You want to help you out?
Yeah, it's a bit hard. Really slow. Valentina, come. Valentina, come. That's why Papi told you no touching. A little bit of food coloring on my finger, but it's okay. It washes off.
And it seems like it's ready to be handled with your hands.
Okay, let's see. A bit more. A bit more.
Espera.
Just half.
Déjame esperar. No, it's almost here.
I washed my hands again for the sink. I want to mix. It's a bit hard.
Anda a lavarte las manos. Anda a
I
lavarte.
already did.
Mami está en el baño.
Or
little
maybe
bit
she
bigger.
cleaned it, but with the kitchen sink. Maybe she cleaned it with the
No,
sink.
Genevieve, don't give the answers for her.
I said maybe.
Alright, it looks like this is ready to be handled. Let's go.
And there it is. Just keep mixing it with your hands
Mix it.
because it'll be better with mixing with hands.
Valentina, ¿por qué mientes?
Keep doing it.
Tú no te lavaste las manos. Anda, lavaste las manos. Déjame ver, a ver. Si vos no entraste en el baño. Son mis manos.
Mira, mamá.
I told you.
Oh my goodness.
Sí, keep mixing.
Ve, ese papel no puedes.
No botarás este papel, es tu homework, Genevieve.
Nah.
How is it?
It's good.
Do you think we can mix this one and that one together?
Yeah, I mix that one.
No, wait. Este necesita ver.
It'll be like blue now. Mix. Now it's gonna be kind of like a light blue, like a really light blue. I always
Take all the corners of this container and mix it with it. Mira, aquí.
thank you.
There you go.
Huh?
Yeah, continue. Yeah, there you go. How is it?
It's good.
All right, that's it. Tell
So-
them that's the end result.
That's the end result. And please subscribe and comment down below. And bye.
Bye.